Welcome back, guys. I'm going to show you how to use an adjustment layer to do the zoom effect so that you can stay more efficient. Now let's hop in and I'm going to show you how to do this.
Why do they doubt the kid? I'm about to prove them all wrong again.
Hey, what's going on, guys? So I went ahead and added a stock footage just to speed this up. So what we're going to do is we're going to right click in the project panel, go to new item and add an adjustment layer. Click OK. And we're going to drag this adjustment layer where you want your effect to start down in the timeline. All right. What we're going to do is click on adjustment layer. We're going to go to effects and then type in transform. You'll see it populate down here. You could just drag that down to the adjustment layer. All right. Now you're going to put the time marker where you want the effect to start. I only want to do scale in, so I'm going to scroll down to the effects control, transform, and scale, and click the little timer. And then I want to run it out a little bit, scale into 200. And then I would like to take it a little bit further and reset. And you can see what this looks like. It's a quick little zoom in. And that's it, guys. That's all I got for you.
Thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and drop a like and subscribe. I'm going to be dropping video tutorials like this weekly.